It is early, I know, but it is never too early to go storm chasing. Get your butt in the car, let's go. Come on, we got to go now. It is early. We are leaving Athens, Alabama. We're heading to South Mississippi. Gonna encounter some larger tornado threats today than yesterday. So overall, it is looking pretty good. There are a couple areas of concern around Hattiesburg, south of Hattiesburg, Mississippi, which is gonna be our target area. We are loaded up on coffee. It's my popular stuff. Nice caramel macchiato, can't go along with it. Got a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant for the road. We are getting on the road. We got about a 5.5 hour trip, so we got quite a little skip today. We're going to be there around 11:30. That's right around initiation time, so we're going to target these discrete lone supercells that form and hope for some twisty noodles, guys. Oh, I see something. I'm finna have to stop. Actually right here at the Mississippi state line, and I don't know if you guys can see that little peak behind me right there. Welcome to Mississippi, if this isn't promising. You can look behind me right here. You can see this. We're fixing to throw the drone up and get a shot of this. Just grabbed this beautiful shot of this shelf cloud branching out. Thor's doing good. We got to get on the road. We need a gas stop. And then we're headed into South Mississippi for this tornado chance. So we actually just got the drone down, loving this mini. So let's get on the road. Let's get this chase started. We got about an hour and a half until we're where we want to be. So we'll see you guys shortly. You can see this wind kicking up. We're currently going through Laurel, Mississippi, and if you can tell by the trees, this is where a tornado impacted last year. We are live, currently set up here in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We're getting ready for some tornadic activity in this area into the overnight hours. Hattiesburg is the best place to be, I think. So we're gonna sit here, we're gonna wait, we're gonna see what happens, and then we'll be able to intercept these cells as they come across Mississippi and move their way into southern Alabama. Now, there's not much to do except sit and wait. We're in Hattiesburg. If you've ever been to Hattiesburg, Hattiesburg is a unique place, to say the least. But the folks are real nice, so don't get intimidated if you come here. We just stick out like a sore thumb, and they can tell it. If you're from South Mississippi, you can tell when somebody's from North Alabama. So anyway, we are posted right here at this gas station, and we're gonna watch radar, get the stream up, get everything going, kind of just sit still and play it slow today. Get ready to see if this is gonna do what it's gonna do, and then we'll get into position to make an intercept. What's up? I am in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We got Thor parked right here. I gotta go into Subway right quick. We're just awaiting this supercell initiation out of southern Louisiana. But I just noticed this. That don't look good. Man, my car better be right where it is when I get out. We just pulled up to Love's to get gas. Look who it is. We've got these crazy positive strikes going over here.
now down to 1 severe thunderstorm warning coming out of Kilo Mike Oscar Bravo. So Whiskey 8.
We are in Gulfport, Mississippi. We drove a skip. There you go, kid. The infamous Winn-Dixie.
And are you on the mobile radar site by any chance for this tornado warning show?
Warning coming in from New Orleans. It's so rainy you cannot see it. But you can see the Mini up there.
Copy that. I'm on Jackson, Mississippi's radar site for that same cell.
Fighting this wind, doing great. Picture is steady. I drove all the way here, guys. I don't get to see the beach often. The wind is crazy right now. We've got to shoot north to Hattiesburg, but I cannot come here without touching some of this water. I'm grabbing a shell for Aurora. All right, we've got to shoot north. It's been fun at the beach, but it is time to go. Shell for Aurora. Alright, we gotta get this drone down.
We are gonna have almost.
Hello from Gulfport, Mississippi. Where's my drone? Oh, it's up there.
Yeah, he is.
We gotta go! There's a tornado north of us! Who is that?